Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found one Claude Code alternative and its name is OpenHands CLI. It is fully open source and free to use and very easy to set up. Here you see this is the official post introducing the OpenHands CLI, a new coding CLI that has top accuracy like the Claude Code and is completely open source, MIT licensed, is model agnostic, use an API or bring your own, and is simple to install. Just run pip install. Otherwise they have the uvx command that you can use. So if you run this uvx command, then it will be run in your Python environment and you don't have to do this pip install. Okay, these are the two processes that you can use. I will show the full setup, so stay with me till the end. But before that, let me show you the demo that how it is actually working. Here you see that when I asked that explain me this index.html inside my code base, and it has completely found and completely go through this line by line this HTML page, and after that here you see this is the output that what I have written inside this HTML page, what are the design or what are the technical features that are used. It has found all of that things and it has written this point wise. It is amazing guys, and it is actually like the Claude Code. And the advantage that you will get in this OpenHands CLI, that if you don't have the money to use the premium model, then also you can use your Open Router API and you can use DeepSeek model or Mistral or any other models like the Gemini model. There are lots of models in Gemini like Gemini 2.5 Pro and also 2.5 Flash. Various interactive models are there, so we can use that according to our choice. And it is not limited to only Claude. Yes, Claude is obviously there, but not limited to Claude. You can use any models. So let me show you the setup one by one, the step-by-step process. So first of all, go to your project. Okay, I have opened this project in my VS Code, and after that open one terminal or command prompt here and run this command, this uvx python 3.12. Copy this command. So I have given this blog link in description. Go to this blog and just copy this command. Okay, and go to this command prompt and paste it and press enter. But before that, make sure you have installed this python, and for that just go to Google and just write python download. Okay, and after that you will get this official page of download python, and there just click on this download python. And current version is 3.13, but the required version is here you see 3.12, so it will be easily get supported. And make sure you have selected the correct operating system. It may be Linux or Mac OS or Windows. You can check that. Okay, according to that download the python, and the procedure is same, very simple. Next, you have to download that and it will be automatically get set to the environment variable. And when that is done, then only just run this command, this uvx, and now press enter. And whenever you will press enter, you will see this kind of things. Let me show you that. And here you see it will install some of the dependencies, and there are 289 packages are there, and within 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed, it will be downloaded and installed. And after that you will see this kind of interface, this OpenHands, this type of image. And after that it will ask you to select the LLM provider. Now it will show you that default provider is Anthropic, but if you want to change your provider, in that case use the up and down arrow key and go to that model. So currently it is showing that Anthropic, OpenAI, Mistral, but you have to select this, select another provider, this one. Okay, there are 4 arrow key there in your keyboard, right? Up, down, left and right. So use that up and down arrow key to move between these models. So select this, select another provider option. Now press enter. After that it will show you that select LLM provider. Now for that you have to press the tab. So in your keyboard above the caps lock you will find that tab key. Okay, so press that, and after that here you will find some of the models in drop down, and just use that up and down arrow key and select the model or the provider that you want. I have selected this open router. Okay, I have already selected these things. I am just telling you so that the video does not get lengthy, and it is very easy to set up. When you will do that, you will get this type of options. Okay, now here you see I have selected this open router. Now after that it will tell you that do you want to use a different model, and here you see that you will find this select another model. So just go there by using the down arrow key and press enter, and after that it will ask you select LLM model, and just press the tab, and there you will find many models of open router. You know that there are different models from different provider inside this that open router, right? I have selected this DeepSeek. If you want to select any other, then you can do that. After that it will ask you to enter the API key of open router, and here you see I have already pasted my own. Go to openrouter.ai. I have given the link in description, and here you see this is the page openrouter.ai/settings/keys, and there you will find this create API key. So click on that, give any name here. After that click on this create, and your API key will be created, and copy that and paste it here, and after that press enter, and it will ask you save new setting, and just select this yes save and press enter. Now it will be saved, and after that you can interact with your code base. Okay, and here you see that I have asked several questions here. Let me show below. Here you see that I have asked for the design.json file in my current folder that I have. So let me show that. Yes, and you see that agent is waiting for your input, and I asked it to see the design.json file, and after that here you see that it has found that. Now after that I have asked it explain me the index.html, and it has found that, and based on that design.json it has written all of the things that what I have done, right? So in this way you can use this OpenHands CLI as an alternative to Claude Code, and it is very easy to set up. And one thing is that if you face any difficulty for the UVX, then make sure you go to this website. I have given this link also in description for the UVX installation. Here you see that for the Mac OS on and Linux you have to follow this procedure, and for the Windows you have to follow this procedure. So basically copy this command, the first one, this one, and open your PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell, and there just paste it. Okay, and after that press enter, and that UVX will be installed. Basically it will bypass the execution policy, so it will be done, and you are good to go with this UVX installation. And otherwise if you face any difficulty, then there is always an option for this pip. So you can do this pip install OpenHands AI, and after that you have to run this OpenHands, and it will work in the same way. Okay, you will see that kind of interface that I have already shown you. So this type of interface, and also here you see in implementing this, we added a few pieces of functionality like slash command to make it easy to change the setting, a confirmation mode to allow you to check the commands before you run them. So basically, if you type this slash here, then you will find a couple of options. Slash exit for to exit the application, slash help if you want to display all available command, slash init to initialize a new repository, slash status, it will give you the conversational details, and usage metrics means the cost that you have spent. You will get all of the details, the token that you have spent, and slash new, it will create a new conversation, slash settings, it will display and modify the current settings. So basically if I select this slash settings, then you will find this basic, advanced, and go back. So if I select this advanced, then in that case it will ask you to select the custom model. So if you want to change the model, then in that case you can do that from here. Here you see that I have already selected this DeepSeek-R1 during the first time setup. Now if you want to change that, you can do that from here. Okay, so this is the procedure to use the slash commands. And also here you see OpenHands has long been one of the best coding agents overall, and especially on top open source agent. And so I think that you will get the best output from it. So guys, if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.